Okay, so this one is where we have an unknown force P and we have to find an angle theta. So the easiest thing to do again is remember that the particle there is in equilibrium, so all the forces are equal. What goes up equals to what goes down, what goes to the left equals to what goes to the right. So we're going to look first at maybe the horizontal components. What goes left equals to what goes right. So I'm going to just take this bit of paper and just cover up the bottom for a minute. Okay, just to make it easier because it does look a bit scary. So going to the left, we have this here force here of 10 acting at an angle of 20 to the horizontal. So when the angle is the angle to the horizontal, our horizontal component becomes cos the angle. So going to the left, we have 10 cos 20. Okay, and just checking the bottom. We also have this force of 10 acting here at an angle to the vertical of 20. Now we know this is at a right angle, so if this is 20 then this must be 70. So resolving this, and I'm going to use the angle of 70 because I just want to keep things the same. It is going to be 10 cos 70. So add that on. 10 cos 70. Here we go. We've got nothing else going to the left. So let's cover the left hand side. Now going to the right. So may as well put my equal sign in. We have 5 newtons plus. Now this is our unknown force P and it's acting at an angle of theta. So it's the angle to the horizontal line. So it is going to be P cos theta. Okay, so that is our what goes to the left is equal to what goes to the right. We now must look at the vertical. What goes up is equal to what goes down. So covering this. Now you can cover this side as well. I just can't do it with one hand. So we're going up. I'm going to resolve this one. So it is going to be 10 sine 20. Okay, plus our P, and again it's going to be sine, P sine theta. Okay, that is the only two things going up, so I'm going to cover that up and look at what's going down. Now we have this 10, and I'm going to use my 70 angle, so we're having this equal to 10 sine 70. Now, if you did use the 20 degrees, the vertical component here would be 10 cos 20. It will give you the same value as this. And if you did for the if you use the 20 for the horizontal, it would be 10 sine 20. Okay, now the next thing I want to do, so that's the easiest part. We want to try and find either P or our angle theta. I'm going to do the angle, but first I sort of want to rearrange the equation. I want to make it a bit easier for myself. So I'm going to rearrange each of these here to have P sine theta or P cos theta on the same side of the equal sign. So in this case, I'm just going to bring the 5 over to this side and just take it away from this. So I'm going to do, and on this side, I'm going to take the 10 sine 20 over here. So let me put my P sine 1 here first. P sine theta is equal to 10 sine 70. Bringing this bad boy over 20. Okay, so there we go. I have P on this side. And then I'm going to do my other one here. So I'm going to bring the 5 over. So it's going to be P cos theta is equal to 10 cos 20 plus 10 cos 70 minus 5. Okay, now I know the sines and the coses all look a bit scary, but they're not. They're just numbers. If you type it into your calculator, you're going to get a number. So when you actually type this into your number, into your calculator, you're going to get that P sine theta is equal to 5.98. And then when we type this into your calculator here, we are going to get P cos theta is equal to 7.81. Okay, again, you're sitting thinking, well, we haven't found either the angle or P. So in order to do that, we're actually going to take our sine equation and divide it by our cos equation, because sine divided by cos gives us tan. So P sine theta divided by P cos, theta. The P's are going to cancel, so there's one of our unknowns missing. Our sine over cos becomes tan. So it's going to be 5.98 divided by 7.81. So you're going to do your shift tan this. So you're going to type this fraction into your calculator, then press shift tan, and you'll get your angle. And your angle should be about 37.4 degrees. Okay, so then all you have to do then is to find one of your unknowns. So you've got your degrees, go back in and put your degrees into either P sine theta or the P cos theta. So I'm going to go with the P cos, just because I feel like it. P cos 37.4 is equal to 7.81. At the minute, P is being multiplied by cos 37.4. To get rid of the multiply, do the opposite. So we divide 7.81 divided by cos 37.4 gives us P, which is about 9.83. And that's it.